Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to resize this to this. Make sure you follow me as I go. So without further ado, let's just to the video. So today I'm going to be, so this bracelet was given to me by a friend of mine. She gave it to me, said definitely that I had fault. I had to fix this stuff. So it's not like this before. The rope here cut, so I had to just use, I have to wrap it. Look at this one. I looked at this and I made this back to this way it is now. So today I'm literally going to resize it because it's not really fitting my wrist. It's looking too wide, it's shaking off, it's not fitting off my wrist. I don't know if you can see. So like it's rolling. Let me write actually. Sorry. So sorry for that. I just want to show you how it looks. So it's rolling. There's still a lot of space. I don't know if you can see. There's a lot of space here, so I want to resize it to it so it can fit my wrist. So without further ado, let's head straight to the video. So today I'm going to be moving this thing. You need a knife, pair of knife. You need a slim knife like this. You need scissors to complete it. Right, so the first thing I'm going to be using. So before I head straight to this stuff, I just got myself a nice neck chain, neck piece. Alright, so if you want to get nice neck piece like this, just I'll drop a link down below where you can place order. Very much affordable. It's not on the high side. It's not on the high side, and it's nice, and it's still nice. My color is very much affordable. So a piece like this, you could see like 5K, 3K, depends on the kind of quality that you want. So yeah, so let's just start the video now. So first and foremost, we're losing all this stuff. So to lose off this stuff, you need a small. If you can't get a knife, you can literally use a scissors, smaller scissors, and pull off this thing. Pull off this thing. Take this thing off. One. Go to the second one. Take it off again. That's the way you did the first one. Take it off. Alright, now so you just put it around the wrist and measure the size you want it to be. If you want it to lap a little bit, you come here and measure it. And remember, you are going to leave like half inch so that when you wear it, it doesn't be too tight on you. So if I'm to do it now, since I know this is the bad mark, I'm not going to cut it to that exact place. I probably just chop off this front side, put it together, measure it with my thumb, then cut. Remember, you need a very sharp scissors, but this one is just not really sharp. Like you can see, it's looking rusty already. But I'm still going to manage it. You need a very sharp scissors. Once you cut it, cut once. I'm still going to manage this one. So, I've given it the mark, so let me just cut it. I've given this mark, so let me just cut it. So the advantage of using a sharp scissors is that once you just give it marks, you just cut once. You could just cut two of them together. But when it's just not sharp, it becomes hard like this to cut, last like this one. So cut it. Literally, you will needing a a lighter to burn it off, so to give a nice edge. So let me do a quick one and get my lighter. My lighter is nice, so let me go and get one to really go. Alright, I hope this transition goes properly well. So here's my lighter. I use a gas lighter. You can just use a normal lighter to remember to use like this a gas lighter. So you just burn this edge a little, touch it. As to give it a smooth surface. Same thing here. Touch it. Touch it. And so that's it. Then you fix it back. Fix it back. Alright, so this should be here. this should be here. Okay, so when you're fixing the probably check it. So if you probably fixing the right way, just like mine, just do it wrong way. So it's the right way. Alright, so that's that. And we're done. So let's just try to fix it for seconds. Now you can see it's sitting very properly in my wrist now. It's not being too wide. Where I want it to be, sitting up here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you like, just like, subscribe, and check me out for more videos like this. I help you guys to reshape your stuff and probably look good to all this. So thank you for thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching. Until next time, catch you. And if you want more videos like this, please do subscribe. Please do subscribe. If you want to see my face again, if you think you like my smile, if you like this smile, please do subscribe for more videos like this. And until